Hello, this is Akin Wally with the list tutorial in Python 3. Alright, it's pretty simple. Let me show you what we're talking about first. Alright, here are all our results. And let's go through them one by one. So first we create the list. Now, just to show you that it's different. No semicolon there, which is interesting. Yeah. Boom. Alright, so here's a new list. Which comes to our next point of how to print everything in a list. It's really easy in Python. I thought it was going to be like a for loop or something, but just print and then put the list name in parentheses and that's it. Semicolon here though. Let's see. I don't know if this will work, but it should. It's funny, a live video, I never, messed around with coding before like that on live video, but more coming. Let's see what we got. Yeah, no error, I'll run. I don't know where that one came from, but oh, it's the new number. Some of them on my comments said they didn't want me printing stuff. I was printing, it wasn't stuff like inside of the parentheses. Like here's our next step. We assign this is an individual variable or individual element in the list, but what I was talking about is like this is just an identifier. If I'm gonna print, that's a bad example because that's the whole list. But yeah, so that actually works out perfectly. So to print out an individual element from a list, you still just I don't know. I'll just name it like individual. Sorry, my caps lock's on, but boom. That should work. Yeah, individual one. And I guess you can name list too, but so for Python, for print individual elements from a list, it's just the list in brackets. Alright, and then we assign a new value to a variable. Same thing, we just grab the actual place name. It's zero based, but it's zero based, so this is 0, and what is it, 1, 2. So there's 6 items total, but this is only number 5 to the computer because it's 0 based. So there's that. So 0 is gonna be 52, and I don't know, for the example we could change it to, I don't know, 12. Let's see what we got. Boom. Alright, so here's a new number, 12. It used to be 100. And that's that. New list. And then the last one is copy one value from another. And Python makes it easy. You just grab the item name and just put in like a normal, like you have the value to any other variable. So let's change it to 2, which would be 3. So 1 in spot and a 5. So that should be the last one. Oh. 1 spot 5. Should. But that is not what happened. Let's see what we got. So our new list, this is our current list, and I said put number 2, which is 3. There. Number 3. Oh, for number 3. Number 3, the new value for number 3 is the last one. So here's the last value. And the last value is now number 3, so it's the biggest number. That's what I was trying to show with the example was I use the smallest number and the biggest number. But yeah, so that's why it happened. Let's see if I can do something else and get it right this time. And clear this real quick. Let's see. How about first number? Actually, I don't know what my current first number is. Alright. Just put that last number in the second to last spot. So number 4 is now number 5. So 222 is gone now. It's 7878. I'm sure that's a number in the thousands. That has a real name. Alright, let's run it.